Yo, when was the last time you cleaned your mental hard drive? When was the last time you took inventory of old thoughts, beliefs, thinking patterns, and rigid ways of thinking? When was the last time you updated your hard drive? A lot of us, we struggle in life because we go into new areas of life with old programming. And you might have created this programming years and years and years ago. And so it's important that every once in a while we do a mental reset and we take inventory of what works and what does not work. Because you could quite literally be limiting your future by holding on to programming that no longer works.